So here's my gas fireplace. I feel like I wrecked it because I was cleaning the window when it was hot.
No.
Oops. And some of the stuff sprayed down here and all along the shelf thingy. So it's supposedly easy to fix. I'll let you know. I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to wash where I want to. I got spray paint, and I'm going to wash where I want to paint. And I'm going to take this part off easily. Take this off out of here. On the sides, there's I don't know if you can see it. See, there's that hole there. I just took the thing out of it. This thing was pushed in that hole, so you just pull it back and you can take this whole thing off. But I'm not going to spray paint it in the house, of course. I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it, and then come back and spray paint this. Then it's going to look like a brand new gas fireplace. This stuff's pretty awful. Whatever I got on it, I don't know what it was. It could have been Windex. I don't know. I just thought, oh, I'll clean the glass. Well, it's hot for fun. Thought it would work well. It didn't. So this paint is supposed to be awesome. Stove bright, black satin.
Oh, yeah.
And anyway, I put that piece right here on top of the newspaper. I have the company of Bree. So it's all shiny and sprayed. And I'll have to bring the dog in so she doesn't lick it or something. And I'll go spray the indoor part. Anyway, I was just cleaning the inside here because I already cleaned that little part. So now I'm cleaning this part. And I just wanted you to see how dirty it is. It's filthy, and it just seems like chunks are coming right off of it. It's pretty dirty in here. So, just wanted you to know, like, it's really important to clean this before you spray paint it. And I did clean already that piece outside, so that's good. It's probably a good idea also to sand what you're about to paint. So I already did that. I just sanded this a bit, just so the paint sticks to it better. So it's all sanded and washed. Yay! Now it's time to spray paint the main part now that I've done all my prep. And before I paint, I totally forgot to put this paper along the glass. I just did it now. And also I stuffed paper in here. Imagine if I painted and didn't cover the glass. That would have been really smooth. Probably never be able to get it off. So, and it was easy to cover this glass because I put the paper can go right underneath it easily. I was wondering about that. So I just put it right under there, so it should be pretty safe. So make sure you shake your can really well and then just start painting, and I'll show you what it looks like after. Hopefully this freshens it up a little bit. Look at that ugliness. Let's see how this looks. Oh, yes. This is going to look great. Just painted the whole thing. Let's see what it looks like when it's dry. And I'm just putting this on now. It's got these doohickeys. Put it on one side, and then the other side. There we go. All right. Oh, yeah. So, as you can see, it's perfect. Job well done. Go me. See, the paint is perfect. I cleaned the window too. I just wiped the window down. Now it looks like $1 million house again. This was like the feature for my living room. Yay. Looks much better. Anyway, please like and subscribe if you liked it. Comment too. Thanks for watching.